Today I'm reviewing the Medify MA-112. This is Medify's top performing model, retails for $800, has dual HEPA H13 medical grade filters, also has an ionizer, has 4 fan speeds, DC motors, so it's very quiet. It has an ionizer function. You'll see in the front it has a PM 2.5 meter that actually gives you the reading in numbers and a color band. So red if the air quality is poor, green if it's good, and blue if it's excellent. This is an absolute beast. Comparing this to the #1 selling top performing unit on Amazon, which would be an IQ Air at $1,299. This unit is absolutely incredible. Look at the size of these filters. These are also the new 420 filters that have 80% more activated carbon in them. This has 2 of these huge filters. This machine will take out all particles up to 99.9%. H13 filters with the carbon, great for odors. Will take out smoke smells, will take out marijuana smoke smells, strong food odors. In senior care homes, these things will even take out incontinence issues such as urine, which is a very, very hard odor to remove. Simple to use. Filters are easy to change. You can set it on automatic and it'll adjust to the air in your home. Just a fantastic machine. Honestly, for the dollar, best machine on the market today.